Hello everyone, this is Sachin from Bengaluru. Welcome to channel Healthy Finance Guide. In this journey of our healthy finance, today we are going to know about savings and investments. These two are key and important terms of a finance. So let's see what do you mean by savings. It's a part of income that kept aside. It can be used for in future. What is the meaning of investments? It's a part of income that kept aside which can grow more than savings. Let's see when we have these two kind of instruments which will be used in finance. So there should be a comparison between them. Then we need to know when to use what. So let's see what is the purpose of savings and investments. Savings purpose is to primary objective is to keep money aside for future needs and emergencies. And in case of savings, in case of investments, primary objective is to grow and turn it as a wealth over a period of time by earning the returns. Savings ensures the safety and liquidity. In the case of investments, it's a risky, but they are less liquid. Then let's see another factor of what is the risk factor in comparison. Savings, low risk or no risk, but offers minimal returns. In case of investments, higher risk, but with the potential for greater returns. In case of savings, it is mainly focused on preserving the principal amount. Means savings will not let principal amount in a negative mode. Means it will be preserved. It may give less returns, but it will be preserved. In case of investments, our principal amount, whatever we invested amount, that may go lesser than that. So the returns may be lesser than the principal amount. That chances are there. At the same time, it grows as well as it may go negative also. So if you are thinking about keeping the principal amount safe, then it's better to go with the savings. And what are the methods of used in savings and investments, particularly low risk instruments? We invest in the savings, particularly keeping the money will be kept in the low risk instruments like a savings bank account, fixed deposits, and money market products. In case of investments, money will be placed in high risk instruments like stock market and mutual funds, real estate, and commodities. When it comes to liquidity, means allowing it to withdraw the money, whatever you kept in the either savings or it may be investments, allowing us to withdraw the money. So let's see what will happen. In case of saved money, it is easily available in savings account, savings part, and it can be easily withdrawn without or less penalties. For example, savings account, there is no penalty to withdraw money. And if you have a fixed deposits FDs, if you want to withdraw, the bank will allow, but they may add a little bit penalty to it. But in case of investments, invested money is not easily accessible. So withdraw may not be, it may lead to higher penalties or it may not be allowed. So in such cases, the liquidity is plays main role when you want to think about these two things. Okay, let's see what is the time horizon. Means time horizon is vision when we need this money. That is important one. So whatever the money, if you want, in case of savings, if you want to go for savings, it should be the need should be like immediate need or a short term need or a medium term need. Like what are these things? Like emergencies or to buy a households or vacations. If I want to plan for a next year my children education, at that time I instead of keeping in investments, I need to go better to go for a savings and with a time margin of 1 year like that, so it will be safe. In case of investments, long term, it's a long term vision. At least minimum is 5+ years people think about it, what financiers suggest about it, and it's for retirement purpose, it's for higher education purpose and wealth creation purpose. So this also we need to keep in mind, what is the time horizon we need to think about it. This plays key role in the our deciding the amount where it should be going. So if you like this content, this kind of a healthy finance practices, and like this video, please share it, and please comment if you have any other thought on this one, and happy to see it. And subscribe to the channel, then it will be helpful. Okay, thank you very much.